Hello everyone, my name is Rushikeshwani, student of second year mechanical, Ravara Engineering College, Luni. Today, the topic of presentation is self-folding dining table. These are the outline of presentation. Includes introduction, components, mechanism, which is important topic of the presentation, and then advantages, disadvantages, applications, and at last, accepted front view of our model. When we listen the title of the project, the first question arises that why the folding furniture is important. The short and sweet answer is space saving. One of the most important advantage of folding furniture is that it takes minimum space inside your home. Dining tables are used only during lunch and dinner, yet they occupy large space in the room for the entire duration of the day and night. Folding and unfolding of the dining tables manually 2 times a day is a strenuous task. Well, what if the table could automatically move itself to the center of the room and then unfold itself when it tell it to? Also automatically fold itself and move itself to the corner of the room to act as a side table on your command. Well, such tables are not just a future concept now that we design an automatic dining table with exact functioning. The required components for the model are DC motor, shafts, gear, connecting rods, proximity sensors. Proximity sensor detects object without touching. Hinges, wheel, caster wheels. Caster wheels means wheel which is commonly used in cooler or fridges. And then resistor capacitors, diodes and transistors. PCB board. PCB board means the printed circuit board. Motor mounts. Motor mounts is used to secure your machine engine. Then motor driver. The function of motor driver is to take low current control signal and then turn into higher current signal so that it can drive a motor. Then outer frame couplings, switches, electrical and wirings, mounts and joints and supporting frame. Now we will see the mechanism of the table. How this table is going to be work. Dual motor driver with IR sensor. IR sensor means infrared sensor are used to achieve folding and unfolding mechanism integrated with a controller based speech recognition system to enable the open and close operation via spoken command. Command is captured by controller and then proceed. Now system check obstacle on both sides. The unfolding process activates the motorized mechanism that uses a geared arrangement to move a connected rod to drive another support rod with a wheel arrangement to push the sides of the table into horizontal alignment parallel to the center plate of the table. This mechanism allows to open the table on both sides or any one side as needed. The same mechanism is used to unfold the table and move back to the wall itself after folding so that it frees up the space. Also, the unfolding happens simply on user's commands. All user needs to ask the dining table to close itself. Now we will see the advantages of the table. These are some main advantages of this automatic self-folding dining table. The first one is only occupies one-third space when not in use. Automatic unfolding on button press. Self-folding on button press can move itself to the room center before unfolding. Obstacle detection before opening for safety. There are 2 to 3 disadvantages of the table. The first one is cannot check if utensils are still on table before unfolding. Second is need power supply, and the third one is the table is somehow costly. These are some applications of model. Then we will see expected front view of our table. The diagram is just a expected front view. After assemble or create, it cannot be guaranteed that it will be exactly look like this figure. Thank you for listening.